vibrant, and bustling with energy. Marrakesh is a delectable mix of traditional, modern, and charming. The Red City, the daughter of the desert, the land of God. She has many names, but no matter what you call her, she is unforgettable. I'm now at the last leg of my Morocco trip, Marrakesh. As part of my journey, I explored many ancient cities. I witnessed mighty mountains and expansive deserts. I was spellbound by the rising sun over unique landscapes and the thousands of twinkling stars over rugged nothingness. Now, it's time to slow down and absorb some authentic Moroccan experiences. For my stay in Marrakesh, I have chosen a riad that's modeled as a backpacker's hostel. Good morning. A quick lunch, and I'm off to visit the very famous Bahia Palace. Should have come a bit earlier, it's quite busy right now. A reflection of distinct Moroccan architecture, the palace is home to some stunning gardens, pieces of arts, paintings, mosaics, and painted woodworks. The name Bahia itself translates to brilliance in Arabic. Don't forget to look at the ceiling. Such beautiful, intricate patterns. The palace also features traditional Moroccan baths or hammam, earlier used for social gatherings, and a big central courtyard with fountains. My next stop is Dar Seaside, the oldest museum in the city featuring traditional arts and weaves. Alas, it's now closed for renovations. With nothing else planned to do, I venture out to try some local food from the Medina. I spent the evening simply lounging in a cafe terrace, watching the market square come to life as the crimson hues of the setting sun adds magic to the Marrakesh sky. Good morning, it's day 2 in Marrakesh. Today I wanted to visit Essaouira or Imlil Valley on a day trip, but feeling a bit low on energy, so dropped the plan. All the tourist guides that I have read about Marrakesh talk about what a chaos it is, how to navigate through its crowded alleys, how to talk with the hassling vendors, avoid getting being scammed. So today I'm going to descend into this glorious chaos, explore the food, explore the vibes, and all that it has to offer. The most important part of Marrakesh is its Medina, the walled settlement around which the rest of the city is built. A bit of a chaos here. This feels like India. A maze of narrow streets lined with souks or traditional traders' markets. Its cobblestone streets traversed by pedestrians and donkey carts. This place has changed very little in the hundreds of years since it was built. A World Heritage Site, the Medina dates back to 1070. Exquisite craftsmanship of clothes, carpets, and furniture, with dazzling lamps and lanterns, the sweet aroma of perfumes and essence, the tinkle of antiques and jewelry, the irresistible allure of exotic spices and local cuisine. The Medina is a hot pot of sensory experiences. It has something for everyone. Well, time for lunch. I have discovered this little cafe which offers delicious, authentic Moroccan food at very affordable prices. If you are here, definitely try out the pastilla. It's amazing. After a scrumptious lunch, I head out to Le Jardin Secret, Marrakesh's secret garden for a lazy afternoon. A place where one can escape the hustle and bustle of the Medina and take refuge in the tranquil courtyard gardens. Apart from the two gardens, there's a cafe and a museum. The museum provides a wealth of historical information about Marrakesh's architecture, water supply, and gardens. Originally, water for the gardens came from the Atlas Mountains via an underground system of tunnels known as ketaras. The water flowed down the mountains into huge tanks and then via gravity to the mosque, public water fountains, and hammams in the city. It was a lovely slow day today. The ochre colors of sunset has already started painting the evening sky. I walk around the main square of the Medina, Jema al-Fana, soaking in the flutter of activities galore.
India. Oh, that's nice. Namaste. Thank you.
Just come on, you have Moroccan food. You have
I had
stores.
something, but I'll do
It's all-
around.
Sorry, it's all the same. You have 65 restaurants, all the same. The difference only sheet yet. You have mixed potatoes. You have
Okay.
lamb,
Yeah.
beef, chicken,
Okay.
lamb chop,
Okay.
fish, tagine, couscous.
This
You have
is number
like-
52.
number
I'll come back.
52.
I had something to
I love
eat
you
now.
too.
I love you too.
I love you too.
I'll come back.
See you later,
See
alligator.
you. I'll do. 52.
As the artificial lights start to flicker, the entire atmosphere transforms. It's the holy month of Ramadan. The evening azan adds in an aura of spirituality and holiness to the ambience. The men and friends assemble to break their fast together. Amidst the conspicuous crowd and chaos, it suddenly feels very calm and peaceful. Good morning. It's my last day in Morocco. I have my flight later in the evening, so I have planned to go souvenir shopping this morning, followed by an exciting activity later in the day. But alas, a cruel surprise awaits me.
None of the ATMs nearby have any cash since yesterday. So note, withdraw your cash beforehand.
I only have limited cash with me for food and travel. It's a bummer. I have been visiting all nearby ATMs for the last 2 days. This is a very busy area and ATMs may run out of money very soon. Something to keep in mind, especially for weekends. As much as I'm gutted with this development, I decide to move on to my next activity, which eventually does cheer me up. One thing I love about Morocco is the food, so it is befitting that I do something related to food on my last day. So here I am, at a Moroccan specialty cooking class with a pretty local Nazli.
1 cup of boiling water. This is the dirt, this is the clean. Around what? This is the clean, is what you have outside, it's okay to drink. It's here where we have the bitterness.
Nazli shows us the correct way to brew Moroccan tea and the science behind the process. And off we go on a quick market visit to get all the raw materials for the cooking class. Did I tell you? Food always makes me happy.
This is what I have in my mix, but it depends where you will buy. It will be more than I have or less. Do you know garam masala?
Okay. Garam
Moroccan garam masala.
I know garam masala.
Are you from India?
Yes.
No, sorry. The mix that we have inside are brown spices, like cinnamon, clove. All of them that dark brown. We mix more the brown spices because mainly the brown spices have a sweet mix. I'm sorry, a sweet touch. It's like garam masala, but maybe sweeter. And if you see, it's never one piece. Always between 2 to 3 fruits. Never one piece. If you can see from here. You want to show? I'm sorry. Focus on it. Or yeah, you can do it yourself.
The menu for today includes special authentic Moroccan dishes, including appetizers, the famous tagines, meatballs and salads. So it's just lemon and salt and oil.
A little bit of oil, but no water. Yes.
It's like lemon pickle then.
Yeah, similar. Yes, it's just pickle I think with sugar. Yeah?
No, we have both variations, sugar also
okay.
and then...
Oh, so I will show you how
This is an interesting addition, I never thought of this.
Really? You didn't try it yet?
We would add but fresh lemon, not pickled one. This is very interesting.
It's good. Try it now.
Yeah,
and tell me
exactly.
if it's okay.
Yeah. It was a lovely class with lots of jolly banter, stories and cooking demos. Learned a lot of things and had a lot of fun.
You are.
Well, the outcome is bound to be amazing when the process was so full of love and happiness. Bon appetit. Bismillah. And special thanks to Nazle for the amazing class. Time to head to the airport. How much one ticket?
30 dirham, 60, yeah, 30 dirham. They all. They don't have a small.
No, I have 120. Shukran. Thank you. Shukran. Yet another adventure comes to an end. I came with a backpack and no expectations. I leave with a backpack full of dirty laundry and unforgettable memories. I look back, a piece of my heart I left behind, smiles galore, and a wish may the travel genie continue to bless me with more such adventures and stories. Catch you later on a brand new adventure. Till then, take care.